Hey, filmed the video, went to go edit, and then realized we forgot to do an introduction. Pine cones. Pine cones and pitch. Pine cone pitch torch. Stay tuned. Other than the pine cone, what we're looking for from the trees is resin or pitch, which emits from the tree when it's injured. This is also something that can be used to stipple wounds, to help stop bleeding and cauterize. It also holds antiseptic qualities which heal people just the same as trees. So this stuff is super sticky, so you're not going to want to just use your knife or anything. So you're going to want to find a stick and just goop it off of the tree with your stick. Oh, this stuff's a little harder, so you could probably get away with using your fingers and it not being too horrible. Once you've collected enough resin, which we definitely haven't, but will be enough for this demo, smaller amount of resin, smaller pine cone. So stuff is extremely sticky. You're gonna probably try to use a stick to do this, not with your hands, because it's up to get off. So sticky. It's all over my hands. Collecting dirt. So you're gonna take your resin, you're gonna stuff it in between these little shelves on the pine cone. You're going to want to pack this resin as far into the pine cone shelving as you can. When this stuff burns, it doesn't evaporate. It becomes a pine tar pitch and runs down. If you get it on your skin, it's a lot like dropping melted plastic on your skin, which you know isn't very comfortable. Pine tar is also a great material to work with, though. Check the link in the video description for how to make pine tar pitch pins, which has been called the woodsman's glue, which is great and effective and has many other uses as well. So now that you have the pitch stuffed in around all sides of the pine cone, you're done with this part. You also need the perch for your torch. So let's just call it a stick. We're going to go little because this pine torch is going to be little. You'll generally want to use a lot more pitch as well as a larger pine cone. Take your stick and just give it a good split down the middle. You'll want to do it in a clover 4-split fashion. Once you have that all done and opened up, you're going to want to sharpen the bottom so you can stake it into the ground. Use a small stick or two to open up your little 4-way gap. Insert your pine cone. I can't wait to hear about how non-bushcraft myself or my channel is for using a lighter on this. But our ancestors went through a great deal of trouble starting fires. So now that this is around, do yourself a favor, keep one with you at all times. Some of this resin is a little older, so it might take a second to light. Once you get going though, this will probably go for about 3 to 4 minutes. So there you are. Pine cone resin torch. Why did I even pick it up?